Okay, welcome back again. Now what I want to look at here is indices, okay? And again, practice and write the work out. There is no shortcut to this. Okay. Again, indices. Whatever level of engineering that you are studying at, there is a need for some knowledge of mathematics. As a matter of fact, there's a massive need for mathematics at a very high level, going to level 5, degree level, basically, okay? And once you've done that, you may well look at a master's degree, which then the mathematics then becomes more intriguing, okay? But for now, we're going to keep it simple and easy. Indices. Practice. Write it out. Look at what's been said. Okay? Make it your own. Make knowledge and information your own. Okay? Do not just read it from the screen. Write it out. Look at what they've done here. Example. Write out the example, do the example, and here are your answers. Okay? What you should have. Do not just copy out the answers. Make sure you understood how they got to the answer. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.